Hi, I'm Peter Llewellyn with CreativeOnlineSchool.com. In this session, I will be explaining how to create a high key effect in Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop if you haven't already. Now, locate the image you'd like to alter. Step 2. Select your lasso or paintbrush selection tool and outline the area you would like to be colorized. Step 3. Right-click and select Layer via Cut. Step 4. Select the background and adjust its saturation all the way down. Step 5. Now, flatten the image. Step 6. Select your blur tool and blur the edges around the object slightly. Step 7. We now have a finished image.